Unlock the power of TradingView and transform your trading results starting today. First things first, let's talk about your charts. The visual heartbeat of your trading. Navigate to the top left corner of your TradingView screen here. You can switch between different chart types, while simple bar charts are okay. Beginners often find candlestick charts incredibly insightful. Each candlestick tells a story of price movement within a specific period: the open, high, low, and close. Experiment with different time frames. From 1 minute for rapid analysis to daily or weekly for broader trends. Clicking on the clock icon allows you to select these. Remember, the right chart type and time frame are crucial for seeing the full picture. Next, let's add some intelligence to your charts with indicators. Hit the Indicators button. Usually found near the top center, think of indicators as tools that help you understand price momentum, volatility, and potential turning points for beginners. Starting with a few simple yet powerful indicators is key. Try adding a moving average, which smooths out price action and helps identify trends. Another great one is the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, which can signal overbought or oversold conditions. Don't overload your chart. Focus on a couple that resonate with your strategy. You can easily add them by typing their names into the search bar and clicking Add. Now, let's get handsome with drawing tools. Your visual guides on the chart. On the left-hand side, you'll find a panel packed with drawing instruments. The most fundamental is the Trendline. Click on the Trendline tool, and then click and drag across key price points to connect them. These lines help you visualize upward or downward trends. Similarly, identify horizontal levels where price has repeatedly struggled to break through. These are your support and resistance levels, critical for understanding potential entry and exit points. Practice drawing these consistently. They are your first line of defense in identifying opportunities. To avoid constantly staring at your screen, master the art of alerts. Look for the alarm clock icon. Usually to the right of the chart, you can set alerts for price levels, indicator crossovers, or specific events. Imagine setting an alert for when a stock reaches a key resistance level, or when your RSI indicator signals a potential buy opportunity. This automates your monitoring, ensuring you don't miss crucial trading signals, especially when you're just starting out and learning. Optimizing TradingView is an ongoing process, but by mastering these foundational features, choosing your charts, utilizing key indicators, drawing your trend lines, and setting smart alerts, you're building a robust framework for better trading decisions and enhanced performance. Start practicing these steps today and watch your trading confidence grow.